how to create Zelle account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a Zelle account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually create a Zelle account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Zelle application that you can find here. Now here you can see all these options. By the way, if you already have created an account, you can tap on the sign in option that you can find from the bottom of the screen. But if you are new to Zelle and then you're just getting started, you can tap on the get started option and allow it to get the notifications access as well as also your location access. Now you need to have a mobile number. If you do not have a mobile number, then you will not be able to go ahead and then basically create a Zelle account. So enter your mobile number and tap on continue, where you'll receive the verification code on the messages app here. And once you receive the verification code on the messages app and follow the on-screen instructions, your Zelle account will get successfully created. And this way you should be able to create a Zelle account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.